You think this is a joke? Huh? Is something funny here? You think this is a joke?
This one.
Huh?
This one.
You think this is a joke?
No problem.
Come! Come! Sis! This side! This side! This side! Come! Go up! Come! Come!
The one with the color can speak English. None of these people can speak English. Who speaks English here? Who speaks English here? No one. No English here. No English.
Ukhuluma kanjani nalabantu? Basebenza kanjani eMzansi bangakwazi ukukhuluma isilungu?
Umuntu ukhuluma nge-app nayo. One of the guys la ungikhombisa i-app. Ubone wona ka-app. Ubone wona ka-app.
So this is a situation. We must deal harshly. The employer. What is this? What is this? What is it?
My ID. Say license, ID number. Why tell me come here?
So why don't you speak? Because you can speak English. Why when you ask who speak English, you don't respond?
I talk English.
Who told who?
Not man.
Tell your guys that you must go up the office. Tell them.
Tell them. Speak to them.
Go with
Tell them to your office. Office upstairs.
Manager coming. No, take off.
Who's the manager?
Okay.
Who is the manager?
Manager go talk.
Where's Jason?
Jason, yeah.
Where is he?
Jason go talk.
Phone Jason. Phone him.
Jason go office.
Phone Jason. Wait. Jason, where are you?
Yeah?
Where are you? Where are you? Talk to him. Tell him to come here.
他这人找你呀，找你，啊，他这个就是这帮人找你，我不清楚，他找杰森。
Where is he? Office coming now.
I think some of us must go to the office.
No, not
They will not come.
Can I walk with him?
Come. Come. Tell them to stand up. We're all going to the office. We're all going to the office. Your office. Jason's office. Tell them to stand up. Hey! It's fine. We're going here. Tell them to stand up.
都上公司吧，跟他走，上公司吧，走吧，跟他走。
Tell them to hold hands.
啊，一个人拉一个走走。
Why are you laughing? What's funny?
一个人拉。
Huh? What's funny? Is this funny? Is this a joke?
It's okay, no joke. Can't understand.
Tell them, so that we go. Yes.
我们宿舍人没关。
Tell them. Go. Hold hands. Kenzakalani? Huh? Fainties. What's happening? Hey! Wake up! Hey, wake up! Yeah, wake up! Wake up! There's no height here. Yeah, wake up!
Come and help you up. Come.
I take him here.
Hey! Wake up!
Don't wait here. No touch. Don't touch.
Go! Hey, Rana! Go!
Come on, go.
Hey! Go!
Why go? Me no problem.
Go!
Come. The brothers are waiting for you there.
Oh, that's Jackie Chan.
So me fine, no problem.
Oh, no.
Show me, it's okay.
Your heart is fine
You
now.
tell me, show me,
Your heart is fine now.
You no fun. You don't put me.
Oh,
It's no finish.
Oh,
No finish.
you must show us your visa.
Come
You
on,
say
yeah.
you're an engineer. You must show us your visa. We have engineers here in South Africa.
Me no.
You must show us your visa. Come,
I
come,
no finish.
come.
Me no finish. 你现在是我给我洗澡，这灯看不够，有买那个他们洗。
They make themselves. When are they coming?
洗，他们有 big ball 他们洗，
Come.
有那个洗你可以。I give you see 2 times.
It's fine. Come.
What can me come? No finish.
Hey, I turn the attention, no?
22 years. 22 years, South Africa. 22 years.
2 years. 22 years.
Okay, come, let's go.
But in
Hey there, folks. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in South Africa. We're talking about Zandile Dabula and her recent raid on a factory employing undocumented Chinese workers. This story's got it all: drama, controversy, and some serious questions about immigration and labor practices. So let's break it down and get you all the juicy details. First things first, who's Zandile Dabula? Well, she's not your average Joe, or should I say Jane. Dabula is a high-ranking official in the Department of Employment and Labor in South Africa. She's known for her no-nonsense approach and her commitment to enforcing labor laws. And boy, did she make a splash with this latest move. So picture this, it's just another day at a factory in Johannesburg. Workers are going about their business, machines are humming, and then bam. Dabula and her team burst in, ready to inspect every nook and cranny. Talk about a surprise visit. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, here's where it gets interesting. This factory wasn't just any old workplace. No, it turns out it was employing a bunch of undocumented Chinese workers. That's a big no-no in South Africa, where strict laws govern foreign employment. Dabula and her team weren't messing around. They went through that factory with a fine-tooth comb, checking documents, interviewing workers, and making sure everything was up to snuff. And guess what? They found a whole lot that wasn't. The raid uncovered some pretty shocking stuff. We're talking about workers without proper visas, unsafe working conditions, and even allegations of exploitation. It's like something out of a movie, but this was real life, happening right in the heart of Johannesburg. Now let's talk about the fallout. This raid didn't just affect the workers and the factory owners. Oh no, it sparked a whole national debate about immigration, labor rights, and the role of foreign businesses in South Africa. People on both sides of the issue have been weighing in, and let me tell you, opinions are strong. Some folks are praising Dabula as a hero, saying she's standing up for South African workers and enforcing the law. They argue that undocumented workers take jobs away from locals and that businesses employing them are exploiting vulnerable people, but not everyone's on Team Dabula. Critics are saying the raid was heavy-handed and that it could damage South Africa's relationship with China, a major trading partner. They're worried about the economic impact and whether this could scare off foreign investors. And let's not forget about the workers themselves. These undocumented Chinese nationals are now in a tough spot. Many of them came to South Africa looking for better opportunities, and now they're facing possible deportation. It's a complex situation with no easy answers. This whole incident has also shown a spotlight on the broader issue of undocumented workers in South Africa. It's not just Chinese nationals, there are people from all over Africa and beyond working without proper papers. The raid has got people talking about how to address this issue in a fair and humane way. So what's next? Well, the legal process is ongoing. The factory owners are facing some serious charges, and there's talk of hefty fines and even jail time. As for the workers, their fate is still up in the air. Immigration officials are reviewing their cases, but it's likely many will be sent back to China. Dabula, for her part, isn't backing down. She's been making the rounds on TV and radio, defending the raid and promising more action to come. Love her or hate her, you've got to admit, she's stirred things up. This story's far from over, folks. It's got all the ingredients of a long-running saga: politics, economics, human rights, you name it, and you can bet we'll be keeping a close eye on how it all unfolds. So there you have it, the lowdown on Zandile Dabula's raid on that factory with undocumented Chinese workers. It's a complex issue with no easy answers, but one thing's for sure, it's got people talking. And in the end, isn't that what really matters? Getting these important issues out in the open where we can all discuss them. Remember, folks, stay informed, stay engaged, and keep asking questions. That's how we make progress and build a better society for everyone. Until next time, keep your eyes open and your minds sharp.